Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Yeah guys, today is that day. It's gonna be CPI. Before I analyze charts for CPI, I just wanted to show you the analysis that we made on our previous video. We say we're gonna wait for our buying position somewhere here, and then I sent a signal in my Telegram group, and then we were able to milk it from here. The reason why we milked it from here, let me play you that video and see, and I'll show you what I said on that video. I said that the market was somewhere here. I said they're going to be coming back. I think it was on 1 hour time frame. I said they were going to be coming back and hitting this level. Once they hit this level, that's when we are going to be entering our buying position. Listen to this video. So this is the analysis. Okay, it was on H4. Let me put it on H4 so that you can see that this is the same graph. You can see that the graph was somewhere here, guys. So the graph was somewhere here. So we wanted it to come and touch this level so that we can start buying from this level. As you can see, this is exactly what happened. Let me play that video. You can hear what I said. Listen, broke out to that movement. Once they broke out here, you can see that here they tried to give us a small reversal. They break out this one, you can see that there was a small reversal here, a little bit of a reversal, but it wasn't like that proper that you can take sales. So that's why right now we need to wait for it to come back here, touch this zone, then we can continue to go to the top side with it. I think that's basically what I see when it comes to USDT, guys. So all right, guys. So that's basically what I said. I said it has to come and touch there, and then that's when we can start buying. And then when it come and retested that zone, that's when I entered my buy. If I go to the lower time frame, then I had to come and reanalyze it and just catch my buying positions here. So because I saw this little flag, because this here was my buying zone, right? So when the market is reached my buying zone, whatever I started doing, I started seeing the market ranging here with the falling wedge. Once they broke out that falling wedge, I jumped into the position. It went up with me. I think I made some great profit from there. Even from my Telegram group, you'll see I posted the signal around 2:30, and then everything went well from there. Nonetheless, today is CPI. Let's analyze CPI's result and see what's going to be happening, guys. So, core CPI month on month. We have another CPI consumer price index month on month as well. We're seeing it at the actual of 0.1%, and then the other one is at 0.4%, and the previous was 0.5%. Let's see what the analyses are saying, guys, because I'm going to leave this analysis the way they are, same as NASDAQ. We analyze NASDAQ. I'm going to leave the video on the description below so that if you want to check how we analyze this chart, you can just check in those videos. Today I want to analyze gold and USDJPY, guys. So I'm going to leave NASDAQ and USDT alone, and then we're going to start by analyzing gold. Today let's analyze gold and USDJPY, guys. So nonetheless, without wasting any more time, I'm going to cancel everything on gold and start it from scratch, guys. So this is our gold. You know that every time when I analyze my charts, I always go to the higher time frame and then take it to the lower time frame. Already I'm seeing gold. Looks like gold will be dropping because it's like it's overbought at the moment. But yeah, it's just me looking at the chart. I haven't analyzed it. Let's see what's gonna be happening if I analyze gold, guys. All right, guys. As you know, guys, I always specify my highest point and the lowest point. So this is where gold is. We see our highest point there. This is going to be our lowest point for gold. And then what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be specifying the points where the market hits, the market reverses, or the market give us big movement. So this is one of the points. We can see the market hits this level. They started giving us this big movement. We can also do this. We see they also did this here. They gave us a big movement going to the downside. Same thing here. They gave us big movement going to the downside, basically. So I'm going to be specifying all this movement that gave us a big movement on this gold chart, guys. So this also, I'm always saying it every day when I analyze the chart. This is going to give us our entry points, our exit points, and each and everything that we need to know about entries and exits, guys. So don't be alarmed when I do something like this each and every day on my chart. So I've analyzed and then I've specified all my zones. We can see that this is all my zones on gold. We can see even here, we can either put this here as well. Let's put it here as well here. This will be just our minor resistance there. I'm going to go to D1 just to see what the market structure is giving me. So we always analyze the chart with three patterns. So we check, we put our lines, we check the trend of the trade, and then after checking the trend, we look for entries. So right now we need to check the trend. What is the trend saying for right now? I can see right here where the trend, it was an upward trend. They've been going up. They even came and retested here. They tested this trend only one, and then they tested it two. So we might be waiting for it to come and test it for the third time here. So that's basically what I'm seeing at the moment. But yeah, we need to go down with it bit by bit just to see what we can expect when it comes to CPI today. The CPI data today can take the gold pair down or up. It doesn't matter. Let's see what the market is holding for us. Let me connect our chart on the top side and see what we have. So you know that always my analysis, they're always giving me rising or falling wedges, guys. So this is basically it. It looks like a rising wedge, and you know that in a bigger rising wedge, our 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 TP is always the start of the wedge. So every time when I get a rising wedge, I know that we're going to break to the downside. So 90% of the chance our rising wedge break to the downside. So we specified our our trends. So the trend has been an upwards trend for long. So from there, we still have another right here we have another channel here that was unable to be broken. So we saw the market trying to test that even two times. They couldn't break that. We can see the market has been ranging within these zones, these two zones here. This is where the market started to range. So we're busy ranging within these two zones. So we need to understand what's going to be happening within these two zones when CPI's data came in. So let's go to 4-hour time frame and see what's going to be happening here. So with the 4-hour time frame, remember on our higher time frame, we say we have a rising wedge. So when you go down to the lower time frame, we need to make sure that we look for selling opportunities, guys. So if we see buying opportunities, we know that they're going to be short, but our selling opportunities might be long because of that rising wedge that we saw. All right, I'm seeing another trend inside a trend. So we see it has been tested a lot of times here. So once they break out from this side, we know that they'll be playing even below the line. They're going to even go further down. So this is a trend inside a trend. I love this trend as well. So we can see it's connected. It's still a rising wedge inside a rising wedge. It's still on a 4-hour time frame. We still need to go down to a lower time frame and see what's happening, guys. So remember, our big wedge is giving us is our big wedge is basically giving us a rising wedge, saying we're going to be breaking to the downside in a long run. Same one when I go to H4, we said we're going to break to the downside. This is H4. I'm going to the H1 time frame. We need to specify entry points when it comes to the lower time frames, guys. So remember, we're ranging within this. We only tested this zone 2 times, as I spoken. From the higher time frame, we can see that the market is trying to go to the downside right now because they are ranging in this zone as well. They tested this zone here because remember remember guys, the market came back, tested this one, and then they went up. Once they broke out from there, they need to come back and test this level before going down. So right now I'm seeing a good sell when it comes to gold because they broken out and came and tested this level. Once they went up, they came and tested, they broke out from the neckline. Basically, let me call it a neckline for at the moment. So they came and retested this neckline one more time. We can see once they test it here, we will expect the price of gold to go to the downside like this. So our TP for now will be here. Once they break from here, we're going to wait for them to come and retest it again and then continue to go to the downside. That's basically the trading plan. I think I see a good sell when it comes to gold. I see another trend inside a trend. So this is gold trend. This will basically give us and entry points for now. Once we see a breakout from this and then a confirmation of that breakout in 15 minutes chart or 30 minutes chart, we know that we're going to be falling with gold, and the TP has to be the start of the wedge. So it's still a rising wedge. So I'm seeing rising wedges from D1 up until H1 time frame, and you can see this one is already being broken out. It's already on the verge of breaking out, guys. So if you have a big account right now, you don't want to wait for 2:30 today, you can already jump into selling position. But yeah, they might manipulate you a little bit and come back to this level before. You see, they might come back to this level and touch here, but it's rare. It's rare for them to do that. So I'm seeing them to come in this side, and then they can just come in here. So this is a very, very good position to enter the selling position here. But they already touched it 1, 2, 3. They already touched it 3 times. If they come and touch it for the 4th time, I just know that you're going to kill them very nicely. So I think let's wait for now, because the market has not even opened. It's still 8 o'clock. Let's wait for 9 o'clock and see the movement. Let's see the reaction of the market, what's going to be happening. You can see there's no movement here. It's those sessions that are moving so slow, always consolidating. So basically, that's basically what I see at the moment when it comes to gold. Let's go to the lower time frame. I'm going to take out this. We're going to go to the lower time frame. On the lower time frame, guys, I just wish, guys, the market can just bounce from this level and then come back here. You know what they can do? I know most of the time when I'm always looking at the chart, they will break out here, come back, reverse on this level, and then go back and go inside here, just to manipulate a lot of traders, and then they will start shooting down to the to the downside. So that's basically the gaming plan of their zones. Every time when I look at the market, they will always break out. They know that we as traders, we wait for breaking out sessions. When the session is broken out, they know that we're gonna wait for a retest and jump into our trade. They will move to our position, and then within few seconds, then the price shift to it shift to an opposite direction, going to complete the setup that they created. So it's either we can enter. Remember, I always give you zones, guys, where you can enter your position. So it's either you can enter your trades here when they break out, or you can enter them here. So but our overall structure is giving us selling positions when it comes to CPI. So I'm going to wait for 3:30 today. I'm not going to trade anything at the moment, so I'm going to wait for CPI coming. Once the CPI data comes, I know that when the market is somewhere here, I'm going to be selling. If the market broke out from this level and we are below this shade, I'm going to be selling. I think gold right now is basically just giving me selling position. Gold is giving me selling position at the moment. But right now, we are seeing a breakout at the moment on the 15 minutes, or this is a 30 minutes time frame. We are seeing a breakout at the moment. If you're not afraid, you've got other accounts, I can put in a sell position here at the moment. I think I'm going to put a sell position on my other account, the one that I don't trade news on, and then leave it to go with me. So yeah, guys, this is going to be a good trading opportunity when it comes to gold. I'm expecting a selling position. Let me put it like this. So we can, is either you can put your shorts here. If your shorts are here, you're going to put your stop loss here, and then we wait for our TP to come somewhere here. So this is our trading plan for gold. Or else we're going to wait for the market. If they take you out from here, you wait for the market to come and test this zone. If they come back, you wait for them to come and test this zone, and then they go down with you. This is 2 positions that I'm giving you at the moment. All you need to do is just to wait for the market to act, and then you react afterwards. I think that's basically it when it comes to gold. Let's go to the lower time frames and see what's happening when it comes to gold, guys. So already I spoke about it. We're seeing a little breakout here. In this breakout, we might see the market moving to the downside. They will come and reverse from here. So once they reverse from this line, we know that they might do something like this and then go up from here and go back to the inside, and before they come back inside. The overall structure is saying we are selling gold, guys. We are selling gold. So that's basically my trading plan. I'm going to end it here on 15 minutes. What I'm going to do, because I don't want this video to be long, I'll analyze USD JPY. If you want the signal before CPI news. Just follow our Telegram channel on the link on the description link below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and like this video for the algorithm to like us, guys. I think that's it from us. Thank you. Bye bye.